Welcome back, everyone. This is week 2 of Sight Words, day 3. So if you have access to a printer and want to go ahead and print out today's worksheet, feel free to do so. If you're going to follow along with me, that's great as well. So let's go ahead and get started. How many letters are in our word for today? Let's count them up. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. Let's read these letters together. O-N-L-Y. Perfect. Now let's take a look. Do we have any tall letters? Yes, the L. Do we have any small letters? Yes, O and N. Awesome job. Do we have any basement letters? We do, the Y. All right, so we have O-N-L-Y. Friends, this word is only, okay? So let's go ahead and swipe read the word only. Like, I only have one pencil, okay? So let's swipe read it together. If you're working at home on your worksheet, please put your finger under the O. If you're following along with me, please put your finger under the O on the computer screen, and we're going to swipe read on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, only. Good. Let's swipe read it again. 1, 2, 3, only. Awesome job. If you're working on your worksheet, get your pencils out. If you're working along with me, put your finger in the air and let's write the word only. O N L Y. Good. Switch out your pencil for your crayons. We need a yellow one for this section. If you don't have a yellow one, that's okay. You can pick a different one, but we normally use yellow. And we're going to clap how many syllables are in the word only. Ready? Let's try it. Only. Let's try it again. Only. How many times did I clap when I said the word only? 2 times. Awesome. So we're going to color in our 2 bubble with our yellow crayon, or if you're using a different color, that's okay. And today I am going to use green to color in the word. So let's go ahead and color it together. O N L Y. Awesome job. Alrighty, if you're working on your worksheet, check your handwriting and your coloring. If you're following along with me, give me a thumbs up if you think we're ready to go. Alrighty, let's switch back over to those pencils and having our fingers in the air to trace the word only. Here we go. O N L Y. Great work. Let's move on to our boxes over here and spell the word only. Now I want you to think here, we have 2 small boxes. 1 tall and 1 basement. So here we go. O N L Y spells what word? Only. Down here, let's find the word only 3 times. If you're working on your worksheet, you may go ahead and circle. If you're working along with me, go ahead and circle on your computer screen. Make sure you circle the word only 3 times. Alrighty, you've had some time, so I'm going to circle on mine. Only, only, only. Super. Alrighty, our last box here. You're going to tell the word only to someone. It could be mom, dad, brother and sister, grandma, grandpa, whoever you want, whoever's in the room with you. You can say it back to me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Only. Check mark in the box, or you can check mark in the air if you're following along to the video. Alrighty, great work today, guys. Again, our word was only for today. Stay tuned, I'll have one more new sight word video for you for tomorrow. See ya.